Visually, the windsock looks right down the runway. Yes, 859, copy, clear, takeoff, 23 left. Call it 07 for the takeoff.
21011, clear for takeoff.
Yes, 859, copy, clear, takeoff, 23 left.
Cobra 60, runway 2.
There we go. There's both the live. Those steering's off. 100, 120, 130, 140, 50, 55. Nice and easy into the air gears coming up. FDS coming stowed. Red lights out on the handle.
Setting up for card 2.
Copy.
Ops check.
Test is 5.9.
Chase 16.0.
Clear chase.
Copy, let me just take a look at the right side real quick.
Copy.
Test control is ready, FTA enable.
You're clean and dry.
Copy, clean and dry. Sport NASA 859 is done at 10K. Starting to climb up to 43.
The 859 Bill X1 Supersonic Corridor approved at or above flight level 400 through flight level 500.
859, copy. Point 95. 97. 98. 99. 1.0. 101. 1.02. 104. 105. 107.
Supersonic.
There's 594 ground speed. So on 1096.
Hold here.
Hold. Point 95. Calming it out. 97. 98. 99. 1.0. 101. 1.02. 104. 105. Running away a little bit. 107.
Supersonic.
There's 594 ground speed. Showing 1096.
Hold here.
Hold. 595. 97. 98. 99. 1.0. 101. 1.02. 104. 105. 107.
Supersonic.
There's 594 ground speed. So on 1096.
Hold here.
Hold.
Test target. Keys 272, Mach 1.04. Card 8 complete. Cleared. Cleared. Trim 1G, speed hold off for 10 seconds.
Speed holds off. Ready. Got 271, 1.033, 43340. Chase is 300, 43,300, 1.024 miles. Sport, NASA 859, ready to RTB, CACAN straight in.
That's 859 information, India, current runway 23 left, east wind 230 at 11, gust 16, altimeter 2982, straight in approved.
2982, NASA 859 flight. Atlantic check, altimeters 2982 set, got runway 23 left. Looking good. Looking good. We're on the ground.